Move your cursor down to the Cover tab in the project timeline and click it. This will open the tool used to grab the screenshot you want to make into your thumbnail. You can click the Local tab if you wish to import a screenshot into the tool to edit. If not, just click on the Select from Video tab. You can use your cursor to drag the video over the clip you wish to grab. Once you have it where you want it, you will click the blue Edit button to pull the clip and open the editing menu. Now I can make adjustments to my thumbnail for YouTube. First, I will click anywhere on the image to make the blue outline pop up. This will allow me to zoom into the image and eliminate the black cinema bars above and beneath it. Next, I will select the Text tab on the left to add some text to my thumbnail. When I click the text I want, it will pop up in my thumbnail. I can click and drag it to wherever I want to place it in the thumbnail. If I double-click the text and highlight it, I can type out what I want the text to say. I can grab the corners of the text box and drag them to resize the text to any size I want. I can also click and hold the Rotation tab underneath the text and drag it left or right to rotate it. Perfection. Another way you add text templates is by clicking the Design tab and scrolling down to Fonts. You can select pre-designed fonts that allow you to a little more customization. Once I select the font scheme I want, it will pop into my thumbnail and I can edit it from there. To change the text color, with the text selected, click the text icon on the right. This opens the menu allowing you to change font, size, color, and many other features of the text. Now I want to add a border around my thumbnail to help it stand out from other videos. I'm going to click the Shapes tab on the left. Now I can pull a line into the thumbnail to resize it into a border. I will grab the edges and drag them to expand the size of the line. Now I will click on Line Style on the right to enhance the line's thickness. Next, we change the color. Now I simply duplicate the line and drag it in order to complete the border. Repeat this process until you have all lines around the thumbnail creating the border. Now I will adjust the layer of my text so that it runs over the border. I'm going to add an arrow sticker to help make the thumbnail pop on YouTube. After I click the stickers icon, I'll click on the box containing the arrow stickers. Click the sticker you want and it will pop into the thumbnail. Then you can move it where you want and resize it using the same tools as we did the text. Now you will take a screenshot on your device to grab the thumbnail you created. On the MacBook, it is pressing the Command key, the Shift key, and the 4 key at the same time, which causes my mouse cursor to switch into a target icon. I then click and hold the mouse down while dragging the shaded box over the part I wish to grab. Once I let go of the mouse button, the Mac will take a screenshot and save it to my desktop. This may take a few times for you to get it right. I wish there was an easier way to do this, but so far this is all there is to my knowledge.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.